Hello there, I'm Dr. Charina J. Sipcon, Director of the Alumni Relations Office. The office, in partnership with Bugaay, brings Onra Asin Pasasalamat, Alumni COVID-19 Heroes, Awards and Recognition. With the unprecedented COVID-19 pandemic comes the modern heroes. The search is on! Alumni COVID heroes whose spirit of service and sustained volunteerism has inspired others in this most trying time. The tireless work and bravery in the front lines are an inspiration to individuals and the community. Bicol University community takes pride in alumni who have selfless ways and motives to assist frontlines and extend help to others. Nominees and nomination forms are available in the college's units where the alumni belong and can be downloaded on BU and Bugaay websites and our webpage. Deadline of submission is on November 30, 2021. Celebrate with us! Prizes and special awards await the winners. Please contact